Now in TopSolid 2017, we have added some additional constraints to the automatic constraint positioning mode. In this first sample, I'm using rotative selection to do frame-on-frame positioning. Of course, I had a frame published already for Captain America. If we go and edit the positioning again, you can see it was a frame-on-frame, and of course you can edit the frame-on-frame as you want, apply an offset or rotation, what have you. Now let's add Thor. When we add Thor, let's rotate him around so we can see him a little bit better. We're going to start by doing a simple plane on point. And notice when you put your cursor over a planar face, the software is dynamically creating a point. Cool. Now, next what we want to do is a point on axis. So we took a published point from Thor, chose the axis. Let's rotate this over, and then we'll finish the constraints just with a simple plane on plane constraint. We'll take this back face to that face, and it's oriented, and Thor is now hanging out. Let's look at one final sample. Next, we're going to add Wolverine. Yes, there's a theme going on here of superheroes. We're going to start with a simple plane on plane constraint. So we're going to take Wolverine's foot, put him down there. Now we're going to take this plane and put it in contact with that point. Cool. Now, let's have a look. We have our plane on point constraint that was done dynamically, which is kind of cool. Now we're going to just kind of rotate this around a little bit, and now we're going to take an axis and put the axis on a point. And there we just did axis on point dynamically as well.